Good afternoon, students of Group 3. Now I'm going to explain your mistakes in the previous test. As you remember, because of bad internet connection, we had to interrupt our lesson. And now I would like to comment your mistakes on previous test based on adjectives. So let's analyze one of your works. I think you can see my screen. I'm not going to comment dictionary form of adjectives. You always can find it in the dictionaries and in the book that I sent you. I will focus my attention on phrases, on anatomical terms. The first is palatine bone. We can see that student translated it osseum palatinus. Osseum is an adjective of neutral gender. We need bone. We always start translation with noun. Bone in nominative case, because palatine bone, we can ask question what palatine bone. It's a nominative case. So os. Now we should translate palatine. Palatine is an adjective of first group. We know palatinus, palatina, palatinum. Os is neuter gender, so I should choose palatinum. Palatinum. The next, pulmonary furrow. This one is correct. Furrow, as we know, sulcus. Sulcus is masculine gender, so pulmonaris will be in masculine form. Pulmonalis, pulmonale, second group of adjective, feminine and masculine form is the same. Pulmonalis, sulcus pulmonalis. This one is correct. Spinous opening. Okay, here I suggested you to use foramen as an opening. So foramen is noun of neuter gender. Spinosus is masculine. Spinoza is feminine. Spinosum is neuter. Remember, guys, that noun and adjective must be in the same gender. The next, costal slit. Slit will be in the zura. Slit is the same like notch. It's synonym, so we can use in caesura. In caesura, costal, castalis, castalia, adjective of second group. In caesura, feminine, so I will choose castalis. Also, I can use noun in genitive case for expressing costal. If you want, you can translate it like this: in caesura costalis, in caesura costalis. Then spinal column. It's very easy. Spinal means vertebralis, vertebrale. Column is columna. Columna. First declension, feminine gender, so vertebralis, feminine form of second group of adjectives. Vertebralis, masculine, vertebralis, feminine, and vertebrale is neuter gender. Temporal line, as you see here, this phrase is translated correctly. Linea temporalis, linea feminine, temporalis, feminine form of temporalis. Concha nasalis, the next one, nasal concha. Concha nasalis is correct translation. Please pay attention that concha must be in nominative case because we can ask question what concha. Here the student used genitive case and no reasons for genitive case. Concha. Nasalis is adjective of second group. Nasalis masculine, nasalis feminine, nasale neuter. Another variant of translation, concha nasi. You can use genitive case and it means concha of nose. Nasal concha and concha of nose is the same. So as you wish, two variants here are possible. The next, not bad, but incorrect word order. When you see that noun has more than one adjective, we should start with noun and then adjective that is closer to noun will be the first. So in Latin language, you should start with vein, then thoracic, and then lateral. Vena thoracicus is incorrect because vena should be feminine. Vena thoracica lateralis. Order here is normal, but vena is incorrect. You see, Venus, it's not Latin word, Vena. Vena is feminine, so Vena thoracica, lateralis. Lateral pterygoid muscle. This one is good. We start with noun, muscle, musculus, then pterygoid, adjective of first group, pterygoideus, pterygoidea, pterygoideum, musculus masculine, so pterygoideus. Lateralis is adjective of second group, masculine and feminine form is lateralis. Musculus, pterygoideus, lateralis. The next round, ligament. Okay, ligament is ligamentum. Nominative case. Round is adjective of third group. Third group are special adjectives that have just one form for all three genders. We know that round is teres, teres masculine, teres feminine, and teres neutral. Ligamentum, teres. Or you also can use rotundum. Rotundum means also round, but we didn't study this word, so I recommend to use ligamentum teres from our vocabulary. Long canal, absolutely correct translation. Canalis is masculine, so we use longus. Canalis longus. The next, aperture of frontal sinus. Here you can see mistake in the cases and in the word order. Let's look at this phrase, aperture of frontal sinus. What aperture? It's nominative case. Aperture of what? Of frontal sinus is genitive case. Remember that after preposition of, we always use genitive case. Let's translate it. Aperture is apertura, nominative case, because it just names the subject. What aperture? Of frontal sinus. First noun. Sinus in genitive case will be the same. Sinus, it's first declension. Sinus. Frontal in genitive case, frontalis. Its second group of adjective in genitive form is frontalis. Sagittal suture. Sutura sagittalis. This is correct. Only one mistake in the spelling of the word. Sagittalis, double T, but just one G. Sutura sagittalis. Here you can see the correct answer. Sutura is feminine. So sagittalis is second group of adjective. We took masculine and feminine form sagittalis. Sagittalis is neutral. And the most difficult phrase for those you can have 3 scores if you did correctly. Temporal surface of wing of sphenoid bone. Let's deal with the cases first. Temporal surface. What? Temporal surface is nominative case. Of the wing is genitive case, and of the sphenoid bone, it's again genitive case. So let's start translation with temporal surface. Surface is noun, it will be in the first position, facies. Then we use adjective that is in the same case and in the same gender. Face, facies, nominative case, feminine gender, so temporalis. Temporalis is second group of adjective. Facies temporalis. Of the wing. Of the wing, we can see preposition of, so it's genitive case, le. Of the sphenoid bone, noun bone, sphenoid is adjective. Of bone, we should use genitive case. Of bone is ossis. And sphenoid, adjective of second group, sphenoidalis, sphenoidale, masculine, feminine form sphenoidalis. Neuter form sphenoidale. Os is neuter, but here we see that ossis is in genitive case, so we should use genitive form, and genitive form for sphenoidale will be sphenoidalis. And we will get facies temporalis alle ossis sphenoidalis. Please pay attention that spineidalis is in genitive case because it refers to osis. Osis is a genitive case. That's why adjective will be also in genitive case. Adjectives just copy all characteristics of noun. That's it about this test. I hope you understood the mistakes that you made. In general, not bad results. So, goodbye. See you.